What is the process for resetting my voicemail password?
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be learning about a very common yet essential tech task, resetting your voicemail password. We've all been there. We forget our voicemail password and don't know how to reset it. But don't worry, it's a fairly simple process. Let's get started.
Why reset your voicemail password?
At times, you may forget your voicemail password, or you may just want to change it for security reasons. Resetting your voicemail password assures security and accessibility to your voicemail messages. It's essential to know how to perform this task smoothly.
Steps for iPhone users.
If you're an iPhone user, here's how you can reset your voicemail password. 1. Step 1. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Phone. 3. Step 3. Tap on Change Voicemail Password. 4. Step 4. Enter your new password and confirm it. Please note, this method might slightly differ based on your carrier and the iOS version.
Steps for Android users.
If you're using an Android device, follow these steps. 1. Step 1. Open the phone app. 2. Step 2. Tap on voicemail, often on the lower right corner. 3. Step 3. Tap on settings or voicemail settings. 4. Step 4. Tap on change password. 5. Step 5. Enter your new password and confirm it. Like iOS, Android steps can also vary based on the manufacturer and carrier.
Steps for carrier-specific resetting.
In some cases, you may need to reset your voicemail password directly through your carrier. Generally, carriers like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, etc. have a Forgot Password or Reset Voicemail Password option on their respective websites or apps. Remember to follow the prompts after selecting the reset option. You'll likely receive a temporary password via text message or email. Use that to log into your voicemail, where you'll be prompted to change the password. And that's it. Resetting your voicemail password is an important skill to ensure you don't miss any important messages due to a forgotten or compromised password. We hope this guide has been helpful and has made the process seem less daunting. Remember, if all else fails, contact your carrier directly for help. Happy dialing, everyone!